In a parking facility, undesirable events can take place right in the parking bays, areas that a traditional security system just can't see. With the proprietary Park Assist camera-based PGS, our patented smart sensors are already in place above the driving lanes to identify vehicles and monitor occupancy. So by adding the Park Surveillance API, you can capture time-stamped streaming video whenever motion is detected in or around a space, or continuously if desired. An expanded level of security that would otherwise be cost-prohibitive. For facility owners, the video captured is powerful evidence for theft or assault incidents, while helping to protect against fraudulent claims and vandalism, and deterring the intrusion of unwanted visitors. For customers, Park Surveillance provides added safety and security, and the peace of mind of knowing their vehicles are being monitored during their entire stay. Park Surveillance, keeping a watchful eye on your facility in a way other systems can't. Ask any Park Assist representative for more details.